Alright, so this is a minimum wage money, right? This is 7,000, right? Me have food to pay for, me have bills, me have water, me have light, me have Wi-Fi yard, me have me have side chick. Alright, so let's share this money. So this is 1, 2, 2 gonna pay side chick, 5 bills are for myself, 1,000 are for Wi-Fi yard, 1,000 for light, 1,000 for water, so much, 1,000 for bills, and then we have 5 bills here so for food. So you see it, so your money spent. So you spend money here. As you come up people yard, you don't want water, but you're thirsty. You're not thirsty. Like so the thirsty more than nobody else. One jump out the door, wanna go drink out of it. I wanna go buy water. You're too gluttonous and craving. But I don't want water.